Kuleshwari Vibro, Kijim Tip Namtai, Khubor Laitkam Hikai, Kidon artylli post Kamikai Kibalaj, Kibade Hapo Shillong hi, but Kitu Kibadon Yaga qualification, but Kibakwa and apply, select Yakabron Kam. Kitai post Kilong, Kapanikong, Kadega wanted assistant teacher for Malki Presbyterian Upper Primary School, Shillong, deficit pay, Nedejong deficit pay, the minimum qualification along with as per NCTE norms. Kemudian by candidate can pass by class 12, 45% above. Candidate should possess upper primary MTET certificate, dependent by MTET certificate. Age limit as per government norms. Preference candidate having English as a major subject come. I preference ikibade English major subject. Application form can be obtained from the school office with effect from 3rd July 2023. Last date for submission form is 12 July 2023 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. They akan mau pihak bendap bejaga DLED lene biat but ka MTET is compulsory. Ada pikwa apply kini post kepada jongka upper primary. Sakawai pat kepada jongka LP one government sanctioned post of assistant teacher at Kamala Nehru Secondary School LP section Shillong. Minimum qualification class 12 pass with 50% for general and 45% for STSC. PDB pass lu kawai ni gini lam ni ka BE ne diploma in special education ne BEd ne special education BEd but PDB don ro compulsory LP MTET certificate is compulsory. LP MTET qualifying age as per government norms kita kalong ba saupo namtaki SCST but live popra namtaki general live popra namtaki OBC. Apply in standard form on or before 7 July 2023. Written test on 12 July 2023 at 10 am. Akan mau gitu kita arti gini post di buku apply gini kawai ni gini nombor artylli selai keberon kam filap dan let me skul dan submit di application form ujung pi di kontak nomor KMIA kedon tengah kerteng jongka skul hi tapi haban yuat hi kerja ka skul kedon hai but submit di application form ujung pi di kita rek last date rok ladaban pentip but akan interview rok ladaban pentip te sa le keberon kam namta bakwa apply gini post tangini juptip kubleshbun.